This is Village Auto's 2010 Chevrolet Malibu LT four-door sedan. Very clean one-owner car, accident-free, verified through AutoCheck. With the rear defrost, the chrome Chevrolet wheel covers, very sharp, well-maintained car. This one does come equipped with a 2.4-liter Ecotec 4-cylinder, along with the automatic transmission. Great deal for only $5,550. Let's get inside here for you. This one has a cloth interior, very clean as you can see. You do have the full power options, power driver's side seat, AM/FM CD player with the auxiliary input, steering wheel audio controls along with the auto stick feature, the steering wheel paddle shifters, the info controls. You also have the OnStar. A very clean, well-maintained car. Stop on down to Village Auto, bring this 2010 Chevrolet Malibu LT home with you today.